Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Please sit down.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, children, let's start with our revision class of block 11, which is food, our basic need. Okay, let's start with our first lesson, which is carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Okay, now, children, we eat lots of different types of food. Okay, so with this, what do we get? Yes, Soumya. You get energy. Please sit down. Now, to get that energy, okay, what does a food contain in it? In food, what do you have? Yes, Chaitanya? Nutrients. Very good. Please sit down, Chaitanya. So, nutrients. So, in that, the first one, what we are learning about is carbohydrates. Who will tell me about carbohydrates? Yes, Rayan? Can you be a little louder? Carbohydrates gives us energy. Please sit down. Now, who will tell me the examples of carbohydrates? Yes, Priyansh. Which food will contain carbohydrates?
The food contains carbohydrates
Fold your hands, please.
like energy,
No. Manaswini, ready?
breads,
Bread, very good.
bananas,
Bananas,
pasta,
pasta. Very good. Please sit down. So, carbohydrates give us energy to do all the physical activities, whatever we are doing. And the examples are banana, pasta, rice also, potatoes, everything. Now, who will tell me about proteins? Yes, Lakshmika. Proteins. Tell me about proteins. Yes, we couldn't.
proteins give us strong.
Makes our muscles strong. And only one thing it does? Anything else?
Is give us
No. Yes, Rayan.
growth,
Growth. That's what Vikun said. Other than growth. Yes, Chaitanya.
skin healthy, strong.
Yes, Soumya.
Ma'am, repairing our bodies and building muscles.
Yes, building muscles Vikun told. Please sit down, everyone. So, when you have an injured body part, there also proteins will help us to repair that injured body parts. Okay. Now, who will tell me the food which contain proteins? Yes, Ceci.
Eggs and meat.
Eggs and meat. Very good. Please sit down. Now, who will tell me about fats? Yes, Vidiksha.
Fats give us more energy than carbohydrates.
Yes, and what else? Devika. Vidiksha, what you told is correct only, but one more is there for fats. What is the other thing? Please sit down and think, Vidiksha. Devika, why do we need fats? They give us more energy than carbohydrates and Hana Zoe. Yes, Hana Zoe. Other than giving more energy, what else it will do? Manasvi. Yes, Rayan.
Keeps our skin and brain healthy.
No. Avantika, please sit down. Yes, Manaswini, ready? Please sit down, Rayan.
Wallets.
No, I'm not asking examples. I'm asking you why does we need fats? Why should we eat fats? Yes, Ceci?
To keep our body warm.
Say properly.
To keep our body warm.
Very good. So fats will give us more energy than carbohydrates, and also they'll keep our body warm. Now who will tell me about the examples of carbohydrates? Yes, Devika.
Ma'am, almonds,
Almonds,
walnuts,
walnuts, oil, butter. Okay, please sit down. Now, while cooking also we need to be little careful so that all the nutrients which are present in the food should be intact. Then only it is healthy food. Otherwise it becomes
breakdown, unhealthy.
unhealthy food because all the nutrients is broken down, right? So that's why they become unhealthy food. Okay? So this is your lesson 1. Now let's move on to second lesson, children. So, which is vitamins, minerals, dietary fiber and water. Now, who will tell me why we should eat vitamins? Yes, Soumya.
Ma'am, we should eat vitamins because if we do not eat vitamins, vitamins will protect us from diseases.
Okay. Why we have to include vitamins in our diet, in our food is vitamins protect our body from diseases. Now, who will tell me the examples of food which contain vitamin?
Me, ma'am.
Yes, Priyansh. Can you tell me the food which contains vitamins? Stand in your place.
Vitamins used like liquids like Coca.
Priyansh, please stop. Anybody else who can tell me the food items that are rich in vitamins? Ceci?
Fruits and vegetables.
Fruits and vegetables. Please sit down. Now, what about minerals? Who will tell me about minerals? Yes, Manaswini Reddy.
Ma'am,
Yes, Soumya.
minerals help to have a normal growth.
It helps to have a normal growth and also in the blood formation. Okay? The minerals we need. Please sit down, Manaswini. Now tell me the food that contains minerals. Yes, Vikund. Coconut. Huh? Yes, Avantika.
Ma'am, coconut water, milk,
Milk.
water.
Water we are learning about other things. Tell me about minerals. The food which contains minerals in it. Anyone? Sit down. So the food which contains minerals is, do you know mushrooms, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Salt,
Yes, ma'am.
dry fruits,
Yes, ma'am.
all these contain minerals. Okay? And dairy products like your milk, curd, all these will have minerals. Okay? Okay? So if you have this, you will get minerals. Okay? Like calcium, which is good for our bones. Okay? Those all. Okay? Now coming to dietary fiber. Dietary fiber, what is the other name for dietary fiber? Yes, Priyansh.
The other name of dietary fiber
Is
is
yes, Rayan.
fish.
Very good. Roughage. Now, what is roughage? Who will tell me about roughage? Please read on, Rayan. Yes, Soumya.
Non-roughage is a type of carbohydrate.
Okay. What does it do? Why we need to have that?
Ma'am, it passes easy digestion.
Feces, the waste which we get from the digestive process, to move that easily we need dietary fiber. Okay. And water is also very water is also very important to us because it maintains our body temperature, and for urinary system also we need water. Okay. Proper amount of water we need to drink. We learned about urinary system, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So for that also water is needed
Yes, ma'am.
to filter the blood, and also water also maintains our body temperature. That is our lesson 2. Now coming to the third lesson is about balanced diet. Okay, whatever we are eating in our diet, all the nutrients should be present. Then only it is healthy food. Now tell me how much amount of carbohydrates we should have. Yes, Avantika. Now, if our plate is circle, in that how much portion of carbohydrates should be there? How much portion of proteins should be there? Yes, Vidiksha.
1/4.
Loudly, can you say?
1/4 of
1/4 of.
1/4 of
1/4 of what? You are telling correct only. Continue. 1/4 of what?
vitamins, 1/4 of
Yes, Devika.
ma'am, 1/4 of carbohydrates.
1/4 of carbohydrates and other. Yes, Avantika.
1/5 of proteins.
1/4 of proteins. 1/4 of carbohydrates and 1/4 of proteins. Please sit down. Along with that, we also have to add healthy amount of fats, okay, vitamins, minerals, and water also for a proper diet. If one of the nutrients is missing, that means you are not taking those nutrients in your diet. What will happen? Yes, we couldn't.
It causes disease.
It can cause disease. Okay. Now this is your third lesson. Let's move on to the fourth lesson, which is food for different ages. Now children, all the ages of people will eat same amount of food?
No, ma'am.
Now Devika, can you tell me what is the difference between the food of adult and a food of old people? Adults, what do they eat?
Rice,
Rice.
curries,
Which nutrients will the adults eat? Carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals, fats, everything. Now, how does the old people diet is different from us?
Old people will eat smooth food, ma'am.
Only smooth food? And which nutrients is mostly important for them? Yes, yes, we could.
Fiber.
Fiber and okay, why do they have to eat fiber?
Because become healthy.
Anybody? Yes, Priyansh. Why do old people have to eat fiber-rich food?
Because they have to eat rice, curry,
Yes, Soumya. Why do they have to
Because
eat?
they will eat less carbohydrates and fats.
So that's why they have to eat fiber-rich food. Think properly. What you are telling is correct only. But why do they need to eat more fiber-rich? Yes, Manaswini Reddy. At that age, people face one problem, health problem. Yes, Avantika.
Because they don't have teeth.
No. Yes, Ceci.
They have constipation.
Old people mostly suffer with constipation. What is constipation? It is a difficulty to pass the feces from your body. So what does the fiber do? Fiber will help in the easy passage of feces. That's why they eat more of fiber rich and also vitamins, so that they can protect their body from the diseases. Okay, when you come to a growing child, okay, they'll have more of what? Yes, Rayan.
Eat more carbohydrates and fats and proteins.
Why?
To gain energy and muscles.
Yes. Why? Because growing children will be doing lots of physical activities. Yes. So they need more energy. More energy they need, so they eat more amount of carbohydrates. And when the children are growing, their bones and muscles have to become strong.
Yes, ma'am.
So to become strong, they eat lots of proteins also. Okay. So in that way, the old people and the children will have difference in their diet. Okay. So this is our block 11 revision class, children. Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Please sit down.